In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively navigate and utilize the Dream Efficiency Salesforce setup to build a custom app page using the App Builder. To get started, open up your browser and head over to the Salesforce homepage. Make sure you're logged into your Salesforce account to gain access to all the necessary tools. Once you're on the Salesforce homepage, focus your attention on the upper right corner of the screen and look for the gear icon, which represents settings. Clicking on this icon will provide a drop-down menu where you'll find the Open Advanced Setup option. Select this option to dive into the Setup menu where we'll begin customizing your app. Next, we need to locate the App Builder. Use the search bar at the top of the Setup page and type in App Builder. This will narrow down your options and quickly direct you to the App Builder page. Once you see it, click on App Builder to open up the suite of tools you'll utilize to create your app. On the App Builder page, you'll notice a New button. Clicking this button is your gateway to starting the app creation process. After clicking New, you'll be prompted to choose the type of page you want to create. Make a selection that best fits the project you have in mind. With your page type selected, move on by clicking on the Next button. Here, it's crucial to input a meaningful label for your app page. The label not only helps with organization, but also ensures that you and your team can easily identify the page later. After naming your page, click Next again, and then Done to finalize the basics of your new app page setup. Now for the exciting part. Add your desired components. You can choose and drag these components into the middle box area. This step is important to ensure your page meets the functional requirements you envision. For instance, if your page requires approval processes to be front and center, consider clicking on Items to Approve to drag that component into the appropriate spot. From here, you have the flexibility to click and edit any component, allowing you to customize content and functionality to better suit your needs. Next, you'll need to choose the right dashboard for your page. A well-selected dashboard will help visualize data effectively, so take a moment to find one that best aligns with your goals. Complete this process by clicking on the Save button to make sure all your changes are secured. Finally, don't forget to choose your preferred preferences or settings to tailor the app page even further to your unique specifications. This could be the icing on the cake that makes your page truly stand out. With these steps, you've successfully navigated through creating a custom app page in Salesforce using Dream Efficiency. Whether you're integrating complex data or crafting a visually engaging dashboard, the tools now at your disposal will help drive efficacy and productivity. Happy building and see you in the next video.